Hey everyone. So in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make your labels actually show up on your Jira board. If they're hidden or you just want them visible on every card, this will walk you through the steps for the 2026 interface. All right, first thing, open your board and head into the board settings. Just click the three-dot menu in the upper right. Pretty simple. Now, inside settings, look for the option called Card Layout. This is where Jira controls what info appears on each card. It's easy to miss, so yeah, just scroll a bit if you don't see it right away. Next, under the backlog or board section, depending on your setup, click Add Field. Type in Labels and select it from the list. Once it's added, the labels will start showing directly on your cards. After that, just save your changes. I usually hit refresh on the board. Jira sometimes needs that extra little nudge, to make the labels pop up right away. And now you should see all your labels right on the cards. If they're still not showing, double check that the issue actually has labels applied. Kinda obvious, but it happens. Oh, one more quick tip. If you want more visual clarity, color code your labels. It makes scanning the board way easier, especially on bigger projects. And that's really all there is to it. So yeah, now your Jira board should feel a lot cleaner and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the other guides if you want to fine-tune your workflow even more.